Upbeat music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On the left, we've got the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K Resin 3D printer, and on the right, we've got the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild filament-filled ride. All right, let's start with the moolah, the green stuff, the cheddar. You get it, right? Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. Priced at a cool $559, it's not exactly pocket change. But hey, you're paying for 12K resolution. That's 12 times better than the resolution of my last vacation photos. AnkerMake M5C. Coming in at $399, it's like the budget-friendly cousin who still manages to look good at family reunions. So if you're tight on cash but still want some high-quality prints, AnkerMake M5C is your guy. Now let's talk about print quality. Because who needs a printer that can only make blobs, right? Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. This bad boy boasts a 12K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 11,520 * 5,120. That's like printing with the precision of a laser-guided missile. The X accuracy is 19 microns, which is finer than a strand of unicorn hair. Your prints will have sharp edges and contours so distinct, they could probably cut through butter. Reviewers love its ease of use and the amazing detail it offers, although they do mention there's a learning curve. AnkerMake M5C. On the flip side, AnkerMake M5C isn't slacking off. With PowerBoost 2.0 technology, it can print at a speed of 500 millimeters per second while keeping a 0.1 millimeters precision. It's like a cheetah with a PhD in engineering. Plus, it has a precision mode that supports up to 50 micrometers resolution. Reviewers appreciate its ability to produce high-quality prints and its user-friendly features, although some have faced challenges with larger prints. Speaking of speed, let's see who wins the race. Because nobody's got time to wait for a 3D print that takes longer than a Game of Thrones marathon. Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. This speed demon prints at an average of 105 millimeters per hour. It's not breaking any land speed records, but it's still faster than my grandma when she's had her morning coffee. AnkerMake M5C. Hold on to your hats, folks. The AnkerMake M5C can hit speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. That's faster than a caffeinated squirrel on a sugar rush. If you need your prints pronto, AnkerMake is your go-to. Reviewers have praised its rapid printing speeds, making it ideal for those who value time. Now let's talk about user-friendliness, because unless you're a rocket scientist, you probably want a printer that's easy to use. Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. This baby is leveling free thanks to its floating platform technology and internal sensors. It's like having a personal assistant who does all the hard work for you. Plus, it has an intelligent and efficient pre-print check system. It's practically smarter than my smartphone. Users find it easy to use once they get past the initial learning curve. AnkerMake M5C. AnkerMake M5C isn't far behind. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can control it from anywhere using the AnkerMake app. It's like having a remote control for your printer. Plus, it has 49-point automatic bed leveling, which is more points than I've scored in any video game. Reviewers appreciate its ease of setup and user-friendly app, although some have encountered minor hardware and software issues. Last but not least, let's see how versatile and durable these printers are. Because nobody wants a one-trick pony. Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. This printer is pretty specialized with its high-speed resin and upgraded slicer software. It's like the Swiss Army knife of resin printing. Reviewers highlight its ability to produce detailed miniatures and game pieces. AnkerMake M5C. Meanwhile, AnkerMake M5C is like the Hercules of 3D printers. With a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hotend and wear-resistant components, it can handle a wide range of filaments like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even PLACF, carbon fiber. It's basically the Chuck Norris of 3D printing. Reviewers love its versatility, but note some issues with printing larger objects. Overall, both printers have received positive feedback from users. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is praised for its high resolution and detailed prints, but users note a learning curve. The AnkerMake M5C is appreciated for its speed and ease of use, although some have faced challenges with larger prints. Both printers are highly recommended for their respective strengths. Cheerfully. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s, with its insane 12K resolution and leveling-free technology, versus the AnkerMake M5C, with its lightning-fast speed and versatile filament compatibility. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. If you're all about those fine details and don't mind spending a bit more, go for the Anycubic. But if you're looking for speed and versatility on a budget, AnkerMake is your best bet. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic product battles. And let us know in the comments which printer you'd pick. Until next time, stay smart and keep printing. Upbeat music playing end screen with channel logo and subscribe button.